could just take our time. We could take rough, handle these 6 structures. We could see as we could take break them into pieces so that at least our brain will catch them small. We could start with number 8. Don't forget, say from the last video we discussed, say the first thing where you need to understand be say you must find the longest chain. Anyhow the structure be. Now your first resolution be that first make sure say you get the longest chain. After you don't get the longest chain, the next thing to do be say identify your substituent. When you don't identify your substituent, I use my own method for here be say identify the midpoint of the longest chain. If you don't identify the midpoint of the longest chain, follow alphabetical order. After following alphabetical order, give them the name. Piam, you don't finish them. Now let's see this one now. Moku see out of those rules which one apply to this place. Now we don't already know from the first classes what we don't do. We say this one our longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now there our longest chain be. As those ones don't become our longest chain, these two don't become our substituent. This one they call them methyl. This one they call them ethyl. Now, since you don't identify the longest chain, the next thing to do, we're going to identify the midpoint of the longest chain. Since the midpoint, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This now the midpoint. The midpoint go there between 3 and 4, which is this place. To get my own method where I tell them know where I go start my counting from. Because now where difficulties they come from, but I use my own simple method. Now, Moku see this pole. This pole has to be like this. Now, put your bag for this place. If you put your bag for this place, you can see say the weight will come down like this. So anywhere where all of the substituent plenty pass, or anywhere where the substituent plenty gather, they pull the straight chain, they pull them downward. Now there you go start your naming from. So see this one now. If you look at them, you go see say, admin you can't carry this thing with your hand. You go look and say this one don't they close to your hand. So if you can, you go say this one don't they far to the end. Because I say this one don't they far to the end. So the weight go on 4 to this side. So as the way they fall to this side now, you go start your counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But don't forget, say I tell you, say you go to use alphabetical order. So if you use alphabetical order, you go to say E come before M. Because if you use alphabet A, B, C, D. Say E come before M. So where E day on top of 4. So it becomes 4 ethyl. Then M day on top of 2. So it becomes 2 methyl. What will be the general name? The general name is hexane. And saturated hydrocarbon. We don't blast the first one. The second one, we go check out. The second one just want to be like say one big jaga, but Simbe we go still clear them out. Now, if you look at the second one, easily, Moko identify the longest chain. Moko come from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 complete. So Moko just use this one because all are still the same thing. If you don't use that one as our longest chain, so all these ones become our substituents. This one we call them, this is not 3, we call them propyl. Why all these ones? We don't know the name before saying methyl. Now, how will contain name them? Let's start from the midpoint. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So the midpoint and this. So let's assume this one, everything like this, we won't carry them together. So if we carry them together, where the weight go pull us down? So the weight go on pull us to this side. So we'll start our naming from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we go notice say our methyl. Now 3. Our propyl now just 1. But P and this one are M. So M come before P. So that now you go say your methyl will become 2, 3. Say this one are 6, yes? 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 2, 3, 6. No forget saying that 3 times they appear. Because of say it appear 3 times, it can become tri methyl. Then where our propyl day, it is on top of 4. So 4 propyl. Then the family name which is 7, heptane. We don't blast that one. The third one, it beats because of say this third one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That one are nonane. From nonane. So we don't notice say, okay, how many substituents we get? We get this substituent. we get this substituent. But come look and say this substituent one day a bit complicated because of say where the carbon atom go there attached to. Now the second side of the substituent, you know, go there attached to the first side of the substituent. You go there attached to the second side. Because say go there attached to the second side, anything that has to do with substituent akai, we always call this side. If that's number 2 we they call them sec. If you don't they come here 2, this one don't become sec because this is 1, 2, 2, 1. So if you want to confirm anything that has to do with tet, you go like pentyl. So because of say this one are B, which is butyl, this one are M, which is methyl. So B comes before M. Carry on from the middle, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. Carry on from this side, where the weights go 4. More check and well. So this one come close to this side, but this one they far away. So the weight go 4 to this side. So the weight, because this one they far to the end, this one they close to the midpoint where we want carry on from. The midpoint are here. So this one they close. So you go far, you go 4 to this side. So you go start naming from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our mets they on top of 2 and 7, while our butyl they on top of 5. So you can become 5 sec butyl, 5 sec butyl, 2 7 dimethyl nonane. Make we come to number D. Number D simple. Make una answer number D. Make una tell me for the comment section. This one is cycloalkane. This cycloalkane na another saturated hydrocarbons. No be aromatic hydrocarbons. So aromatic hydrocarbons na unsaturated hydrocarbons. Methyl cyclopropane because na number 3. So now number 3 na pro. So methyl cyclopropane. But this D and number F. Oh, this one they a bit complex. This one make una try answer and for the comment section. I go ask you why if you answer, so that if there's anything we will do together, we go to do it together. Thank you.